Hi, and welcome to Counseling 130 Career and Life Skills Planning. My name is Caitlin Escobar, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the course and just kind of some things to help get you started. So, the very first thing I want to talk about is just how to contact me. So, there's two main ways to contact me for this class. The first one is going to be through the Canvas inbox right here. If you want to send me a message with a personal question, you can click over on the inbox and then up here on the compose a new message icon, select the class, you'll enter my name, and that will get sent to me through Canvas. That's probably the easiest way to message me and to get a hold of me when you have questions about the class. The second one I want to show you is through just my work email. So if you click on my profile, my email appears right here. It's c.escobar@marin.edu. So you can email me through regular email, but it's important to note that the email has to be sent through your MyCom email address. So each student at College of Marin receives a MyCom email address, and you have to email all teachers through that email address in order for us to give you a response. So you cannot send the email from like Gmail or Yahoo. It has to be sent through your MyCom email address. It's really just a way to protect your privacy, make sure that the message is secure. I'll post a link on this page below if you need help knowing how to access that. But it's really important to know about that email address and to check that email address because all instructors campus-wide can only reply to your email if it's sent through that email address. The second thing I want to show you in our class is if you go to discussions, there's a Q&A forum. So if you have a general question, something that's not personal, but just a general question about the class or about an assignment, then you can go to our discussion board within the class and click on the Q&A forum and post your question here. You would just go ahead and type the question in right here, and then I can respond to you also in this forum. The good thing about this is it lets other students see your questions and see the responses. So they might be wondering the same thing, they might have the same question, and they can come over here and check to see if another student's asked it. But I'm not the only one that can reply to questions, so you guys can also reply to other students' questions here. So I encourage you to check this regularly, and if you see a student ask a question and you happen to know the answer or you have a suggestion for them, you can go ahead and respond to the student's question here also. And I think it's just really important in this class that we're all here to support each other through it. So that's just another way that you can help support your classmates. Okay, so the next thing I want to point out just as a quick get you started kind of thing is how to go through the course content. So in a normal in-person class, you meet usually like twice a week for an hour and a half each time, but we will not be meeting at all in person. And so all of that time that you usually put in class, you're going to be putting in online. So you'll be going and working through different modules. You'll go through a module each week, and you'll access that by making sure you're in our class and then clicking on modules. So your very first unit is the orientation unit. So each unit is going to open Sunday morning each week. So every Sunday, a new unit will open, and you'll be able to access the content for that week. After it opens on Sunday, there's usually a discussion that's due. You have to post to it by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. So you'll need to work through the first part of the content and post to that discussion by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. You'll then have the rest of the week to work through the remaining course content. And Saturday at 11:59, you'll be required to reply to 2 of your peers in the discussion board, have worked through all of the content, and complete any remaining assignments by that Saturday at 11:59 p.m. So anytime you want to go to the module or pick up where you left off, just make sure you're in the class and you click on modules, and then you can find where you left off at. You don't need to memorize all of the information about when things are due right now. It'll be reiterated throughout the class content as you work through, so you'll be reminded of that. What else? If you have trouble, you've never posted to a discussion board, I'll post some tutorials there, so that will give you the support you need to make sure you get that done on time. I think that's it for now. So good luck with the first week, and I'll be here with any questions. So please feel free to reach out to me or to post on the Q&A forum. And I look forward to getting to know you guys more through the meet and greet this week. Okay, bye.